All right, guys, it's Good Friday, and at this point, you are probably feeling kind of hungry, kind of peckish, and you want a good meal. Well, I have the perfect Good Friday meal for you.
Okay, first things first, you want to get out a pot. Now you want to fill it with water, like so, and set your temperature to high. You want this thing at a rolling boil, okay? Okay, now this is perfect. Once you've reached this stage, you want to add 1 tablespoon of water and really get that thing stirred in. Really stir that in. Yeah, there we go. Stir it in. And then very slowly add 1 cup of water. Yeah, there we go. Now you'll notice the cold water slows down the boiling, but that's okay. That'll give us a chance to stir it in before it cooks too quickly. And then let's have a little taste. Hot, hot, hot. Oh, but that's good. Oh, that's good. That is exactly the kind of thing that you can serve all of your friends on Good Friday, and they will be pleased as punch. So happy Good Friday, everyone, and I will see you next time.